Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add Twitch dashboard quick actions directly into OBS as a custom doc. This is incredibly useful because it lets you control your stream settings, run ads, and manage other quick actions without ever leaving OBS. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to twitch.tv. You'll need to log in with your credentials to access your creator tools. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Creator Dashboard from the available options. This will take you to your main Creator Hub where you can manage all aspects of your Twitch channel. Once you're inside the Creator Dashboard, look at the left panel where you'll find various menu options. Click on Stream Manager to access the live streaming controls and monitoring tools. This is where you can see your stream preview, chat, and various quick controls while you're broadcasting. Now, in the bottom left section of the Stream Manager, you'll see an area labeled Quick Actions. Right beside this label, you'll notice a 3 dotted lines icon. Click on this icon to open a menu, then select Pop Out Quick Actions from the options that appear. This action will open your Quick Actions panel in a separate browser window, which is exactly what we need for the next step. With the Quick Actions window now open separately, look at your browser's address bar at the top. You'll need to copy the entire URL from this address bar. This URL is what will allow us to embed these quick actions directly into OBS, so make sure you copy the complete link. Now, switch over to your OBS application. In the upper left corner of the OBS interface, you'll see a menu option labeled Docs. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Custom Browser Docs. This feature allows you to add any web-based content as a permanent panel inside your OBS workspace. A dialog box will appear asking you to configure your new doc. In the doc name field, enter a descriptive name for this doc. Right beside the name field, you'll see a section labeled URL. This is where you need to paste the Twitch Quick Actions URL you copied earlier from your browser. Simply paste the link into this URL field. After you've entered both the doc name and URL, click the Apply button. OBS will now process your request and create the new doc. Within moments, the Quick Actions window will appear as a doc inside your OBS interface. You can now resize and position this doc anywhere in your workspace to suit your streaming setup. Keep in mind that when the doc first appears, you'll need to log into your Twitch account within this embedded window. This is completely normal and expected, as OBS needs to authenticate your session to display your quick actions properly. Once you've logged in, you'll have full access to all your Twitch dashboard controls right from within OBS, making your streaming workflow much more efficient. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.